Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Python on your Windows 11 computer. So first you need to open browser for this one. Then after you need to type Python download. Hit enter. Go to the first option, download. You can download old version by just go to downloads and choose your version. Scroll down, you can see there are several download options here. In this tutorial I am going to download the latest option. So it is around 27 megabytes. Wait for the download complete. In my case I have a little bit poor internet connection, so I already downloaded the old version of the Python, so I will show you how to install that one. It is similar to latest version also. So just double tap on the download file. Once the first you are installing, make sure to add Python 3.8. It is depending on your version. Make sure to tick this one. Otherwise you have to manually add the Python onto your environment variable. This will automatically add that one. So now you need to just tap on install now, or you can customize installation. Just go to customize for your understanding purposes. You can these are the options. It will be download. So if you don't need a documentation file, you can just untick this one. So if you need other things, you have just select this one and tap on next. So there are other options also, so you can install for the all users. Just tap on this one and you can download debugging symbols. If you don't need those, keep this as untick. So you can customize the installation location. By default it will be installed C program files and Python this location. So you can change the location using browse. Once you are done, you can tap on install. But if you use directly install now option, just tap on it, tap on yes in the pop-up menu. It will start the installation process. Wait for the installation completed. Now you can see it is almost completed. Wait for completion for this one. Okay, now it is successfully installed. Then you can just tap on close this one. So now you can check your Python is installed or not correctly. So go to search bar, search for command prompt. Okay, tap on it. Once it is open, you need to type Python space double dash version and hit enter. You can see in my case I installed Python 3.8.1. It is successfully installed. And there is another package will be installed once you are installing Python, that is Python package manager called pip. So you have to check that also installed successfully. Just type pip space double dash version, hit enter. Yeah, you can see it also installed pip 19.2.3 version. Okay, if you don't need to download and install the Python using their website, you can simply do this one. You go to search bar, search for PowerShell, right click on it, tap on run as administrator, tap on yes on the pop-up menu, win get space install space python dot python and hit enter. You can see it is downloading. This will download and install the latest Python version automatically, so you don't need to install manually or do anything. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.